After saving recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online, you can easily change the saved recurring transactions without affecting any previously created transactions. The changes are only applied to future transactions you create. To view your recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Recurring Transactions link under the Lists heading to open the Recurring Transactions page. To create a new recurring transaction in this page, click the New button in the upper right corner of the page to open a Select Transaction Type window. Select the type of recurring transaction to create from the Transaction Type dropdown in the Select Transaction Type window. Then click the OK button in the window to open a new recurring transaction window for the selected type of transaction. Enter the template name and set the pattern of recurrence at the top of the recurring transaction template window that then opens. Then enter the information to save as part of the recurring transaction template below that. This information changes depending on the type of transaction you are creating. To save it, then click the Save Template button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the recurring transaction window. To filter the recurring transactions list, click the Filter button in the upper left corner of the page to show a drop-down menu. Then use the Template Type and Transaction Type drop-downs in the drop-down menu to apply your desired filters. To apply the filter after entering the desired filtering criteria, click the Apply button in this drop-down menu. To clear an individual filter after applying it, click the filter's name in the list of filters to the right of the Filter drop-down button. Alternatively, to clear all applied filters, click the Clear Filter/View All link to the right of the Filter dropdown. To print the recurring transactions list, click the Print List button in the upper right corner of the list to open a new page or tab with a printer-friendly view of the list. Your web browser's Print dialog box also opens, letting you easily print the list. You can then close this new web page or tab when you are done printing it. To change the number of rows shown per page in the list, click the Settings button in the upper right corner of the list and then select a choice from the Rows dropdown that appears. To perform an action on a saved recurring transaction, look under its Action column and then either click a command or click the drop-down arrow and select a command. To edit a recurring transaction, click the Edit command under its Action column. Then make your changes and save them by clicking the Save Template button in the window that opens. Alternatively, to use a saved recurring template to create a new transaction, select the Use command from the drop-down under its Action column. To duplicate a saved recurring transaction, select the Duplicate command from the drop-down under its Action column. Then make your changes, enter a new recurring transaction name in the new window that appears, and click the Save Template button to save it. To delete a recurring transaction, select the Delete command from the drop-down under its Action column. Then click the Yes button in the confirmation window that opens to confirm its deletion. To pause a recurring transaction, if available for the type of recurring transaction, select the Pause command from the drop-down under its Action column. Then click the Pause button in the confirmation window that appears. This disables the recurring transaction. To resume a paused recurring transaction, Select the Resume command from the drop-down under its action column. Then click the Resume button in the confirmation window that appears to re-enable it. To skip the next date for a recurring transaction, if available, select the Skip Next Date command from the drop-down under its action column. Then click the Skip Next Date button in the confirmation window that appears to skip the next instance of the recurring transaction. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.